Good morning guys, and in front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select System and Update, go to Backup and Reset, and mark Reset Device. Now click on Reset All Settings, and if you truly want to get rid of all data, all setup that you've done, just mark Reset. And now you have to confirm that you are aware that this operation cannot be undone, and then you will lose all your data. And if you are aware and if you still want to do it, just mark Reset. And now wait till it's done. As you can see, system settings have been reset. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.